Welcome everyone, my name is Tessa and I will be going over how to create a simple application using the Tropo API. So this is a really cool API where you can create any kind of voice applications you can imagine. Just a few simple things. You can create an answering machine service with multiple options. Or you can create, let's say you're traveling, you can create a local phone number and you can forward it to your main phone number so it doesn't look like, it's marketing spam when you're calling someone. So there's so many things that you can do with it. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is create an account by clicking on register. Since I already have an account, I'm going to click on login and log in. And we're going to create a new app. Ignore the stuff I have above. Obviously, I've been playing with it. Create new app. And create a name. Let's call it Hello World. Those words never get old, right? And for the type of application, we're going to stick with scripting API, which means we're going to be on the development version and it's going to be saved on the Tropo servers. And because it's the development version, that means we don't have to pay for the phone number. So click on new script and call it hello.js. You can use, different languages like PHP, Java, Ruby, but we'll get to that later. Click on save. Let's see. Looks like I've already used this file name, so I'm going to do hello2.js. Click on save. We'll add the code in a little bit. And scroll down to phone number. Select your country. In my case, I'm the United States. And for the state, I'm going to put in WA, Washington, where I live, and select one of these. And create the app. It only takes a few seconds. And you have a whole new Tropo application. It's very easy to get started with. The documentation is also very easy to get through as well. So let's edit the script. So here's your phone number, 206-504-2623, and you have your VoIP details, your voice and messaging API, but again, we'll go over this later on part 2 of the presentation. So let's scroll up to script details and edit the script. So let's do a few basic functions. Here's wait, and then we're going to do answer, and then we're going to wait again, and then we're going to say something. So we're going to wait 2,000 milliseconds before anything happens when you call this phone number. So 2,000 milliseconds is 2 seconds. Every 1,000 milliseconds is 1 second to make it easy for you. We're going to answer it. We're going to wait 2 seconds again. And then we're going to say, hello world, this is my first application. And then save it and close. So in order to save the file, you'll be clicking on Save Settings. Just like that. And it should be ready to go. Your application is done. So here's a easy button to click on in your app. Call app from browser and see if it works.
Hello world. This is my first application.
And it worked. It said, hello world, this is my first application. Every time when I push, start or refresh the page, and I'm always hoping that it works, especially when I'm demonstrating live. So it's always excited to see it work. So that's it. To look at your applications, click on the menu Applications. This site is very easy to navigate. And you can go back to it by clicking, hello world. And all the documentation is simply right on the Docs menu, and you can go through different links and see what works best for you. So there's so much to do with this. It's very easy to use, and within a few minutes I showed you how to use it. So I'm hoping that this can help you in some way or another. Thank you very much. To access the code that we created with JavaScript, you can go ahead and go to my GitHub profile, github.com/tessamero/tropo, and you should be able to see the code that I used for this. All right, thanks again.